Hello everyone, there is a restaurant has made this eggplant into a signature dish, which is deeply loved by everyone. Those who have eaten it say it's delicious. How is it made? Let's follow the video to see how it's made. First, prepare a fresh eggplant. Peel it. We should choose a relatively straight and thicker. Cut it once after peeling, with the incision facing down. This makes it easier for the next operation. Then, cut it into slices diagonally like in the video. Don't cut through the bottom. The slices should be longer, and the thickness should be uniform, so that the dish will look more beautiful and better taste. Don't cut the slices too thin, like this. After cutting, change the knife to cut into thin strips. Make sure they are cut evenly in thickness. After all the cutting is done, like this. Next, put the eggplant in water. To evenly coat the eggplant with water. Okay, take them out and drain the excess water. Prepare an appropriate amount of cornstarch. Put the water-coated eggplant in the cornstarch, and coat the eggplant evenly with cornstarch. Here, you must pay attention. The seams of eggplant must be fully coated with starch. Don't use too much starch. Just coat them evenly. After the starch is wrapped, shake off the excess starch. Finally, it's done like this. Heat oil in a pan. Heat the oil to 60% hot. Put in chopsticks, and quickly small bubbles appear. The oil temperature can't be too low, otherwise it won't be fried into shape. Put eggplant in like the video. Fry the eggplant until cooked through, until it's shaped. If you make it at home, you can also cut them into small pieces, which saves oil. After frying until set, you can take it out. Heat the oil to 70%. Fry the eggplant again. This will make the outside more crispy and delicious, and more delicious. Okay, remove and drain the oil. Leave a little oil in the pan. Add a spoonful of ketchup. Add an appropriate amount of concentrated orange juice. Add an appropriate amount of white vinegar, half a spoonful of sugar. Add a little salt. Stir to dissolve. Boil over high heat until thick. It's done like this. Add a little of the hot oil just now. This will make it more shiny. Okay, turn off the heat. Put the prepared eggplant on a plate. Pour the prepared sauce. Sprinkle with white sesame seeds. The eggplant made in this way is sweet, crispy. It's appetizing. Both adults and children love it. The method is very simple. Friends who like it, hurry up and collect it to try.